Alright, we are going to do a deep penetration test. These are from Cuz. These are 300 Blackout, the TSX Barnes. Going to do a deep penetration and see how they do plowing through wood. Alright, got these loads from Cuz again, East Texas Outlaw. These are the 300 Blackouts, the TSXs, and the Barnes. And we're going to do a deep penetration, see how they hold up, see how far they drill. Jesus Christ. Well, we're clean through, as you can see. 7 2x6s. This is a 300 Blackout. In and out the first one. And again on the second. Going in, going out. And still going in, still small hole out. That's another one that's not going to be found. Well, it's got some ass, that's for sure. Definitely got some ass. So there we go. We'll take it out and see what it looks like going through the board. Here we go with these East Texas Outlaw Specials here, the E.T.O Specials 300 Blackout. As y'all already know, these did go all the way through. We're just going to take a look and see if anything spectacular went on in the shots. These not only went all the way through, they went in through into 5 water jugs. 5 water jugs and knocked a tree. So there we go. We got a little fragment right there. Well, that's depressing. Was expecting more. Nah, there we go. Still going through. I mean, these damn things are, as you can see, I mean, I'm pretty sure it shut it up like a full metal jacket, but going through, basically flying in a straight line. Don't ask why that one's bigger. Still going through. Even hit a knot. Going through and still shaking and baking. There you go. That is Barnes TSX tips, and those are grooving.